Hello, Jack.
Hello, Jack.
What are we doing?
Blowing the blowing.
Exploring the Blorenge.
Blowing the blowing.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Shall we go and avoid the stingy nettles today?
No.
No? See, we're at Keeper's Pond. Keeper's Pond starting point. And it's absolutely beautiful day. Looks like you've taken a hard walk. Not great for visibility, he's down already. Wow. Not a good start today, is it? Okie dokie. Keeper's Pond with Daddy. Okay.
The pond.
Is that okay?
Let's not go in the pond.
Let's not go in the pond, no.
We don't want to go in that pond.
Definitely don't want to go in that pond.
No. I don't. Tonight.
That's right.
We don't. We're not going in that pond. We
Definitely don't want to go in that pond.
No.
Don't like fast.
No, I don't like fast on the bike.
That's not what you told me this morning.
No, thank you, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
I don't.
And that was the Keeper's Pond.
Yeah, that's the Keeper's Pond.
No yellow stingies, is there?
No yellow stingies or green yellow stingies.
Yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it?
No.
Right, Daddy, have a wee a minute.
That's probably in the stingies.
Yeah, on stingies, but
You need to poo, Daddy.
no, I think I'm good with that. Oh, this is a bit rocky, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's okay, we survived. Whee! Oh my goodness, look at this one. Say easy. Easy peasy.
There's some mood, isn't it, Daddy?
Yes.
We love that on me.
Apparently, we're going down this way.
I think that's a good idea.
Okay, you think it's a good idea to go down there?
Yeah.
Okay then.
I think that's a good idea.
Ready?
Steady, go. I promise you don't see the
Oh my goodness, it's very rocky.
Yeah, and very bumpy, isn't it? No.
Wow. There are lots of big rocks. So that was worse than what we thought coming down there. Again, it was a bit more rocky and bouldery. I don't know what the other word for it is.
Yeah, but no.
But yeah, we got some nice views by Erla of the mountains.
No.
And we got Sugarloaf Mountain right up there. There's lots of rocks, yeah. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? Is it okay?
I think we.
Shall we carry on?
I think we need to carry on.
We need to carry on, good idea.
And we
Okay.
lost, Daddy. I think we lost.
Right, no, we're not lost. Ready?
Daddy, go.
So this is what it's like coming down here.
Yeah, then.
Whoop! We got a bit of fernage.
No.
Or as posh people call it, bracken. Oh, goodness.
Because it's so.
Lots of ferns, see?
Yeah.
But that's okay, we don't mind ferns.
No.
Stinging nettles we don't want, do we?
We don't want them.
We don't want stinging nettles.
No.
Certainly not. Whoop, this is a big drop.
Because it's so grown on there.
What's that?
Because it's so grown on there.
It's a bit overgrown.
Yeah, it's a big grown. Yes, I think they're big grown.
Bit overgrown, say.
Because the grown is a thing.
Yeah.
Because they think they're too long. I think they're too long.
Definitely a bit too long.
Yeah, definitely a bit too long on there.
Yes. It's a bit like Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It might
You wouldn't
be.
really know about Jurassic Park because you haven't watched it yet.
Yeah, bored.
No. You're still more of a Toy Story guy.
Yeah. Then we go one little left, and one is go down this minute. Then let's go.
Come on.
We are the thing is on me.
We are over this thingy.
We go down in our after the wind. We go down in our afternoon. Like, we go afternoon on the wind. Moon and big thingy. Big thingies on there.
Yes, there's lots of them about, isn't it? But
Yeah,
thankfully, just ferns so far.
the sun's so far.
Just a lot of overgrown ferns.
Yeah.
Oh, our first gate of the day.
Huh?
Huh? Give him a wave. Right,
It's going.
let's see if the drone can follow us through this part.
Yeah. Oh no!
It's following us. Let's go.
I think it's falling us. Yeah. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
He's coming.
But that's not why the batteries are too fun. And
Okay.
And then we need to torch it up. And then we need
Oh
to
my
walk
goodness,
on-
look at this.
Huh? We need to run them.
Wow, look at this, boy.
Okay?
That's cool, isn't it?
We don't want to go in that pond.
That's cool, isn't it?
We don't want to.
You definitely don't want to go in that pond.
No.
Give a drone a wave. So Jack, this is the Devil's Punch Bowl.
This is the devil's pole.
Devil's Punch Bowl, well done. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Here we are. What do you think of the Devil's Punch Bowl, Bon, Jack?
Oh, that's nice.
It's very nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
It's very, very impressive.
Very pretty.
Yeah, very impressive.
Very impressive.
Yeah.
Okay. This climb straight away from the Devil's Pond looks pretty steep. Doesn't look that bad on camera, but
No.
it looks like a steep one.
No.
Let's see if we can get to the top without pushing. Yay! It's a little steeper than what it looks. Is it time for a drink?
I think so.
You think so? Go on, Em. You earned that drink. What did you think of that climb? Was that a good climb? Hmm.
It's very steep.
It was very steep. Okay, let's crack on.
Steep. Isn't it?
It is very steep.
Should we go this way?
That's right, we go in this way.
Yeah, we
Okay.
go that way. So, see.
So slightly confused on this little part, but it's through this gate. The next bit of the route. Which looks a bit overgrown. A little bit overgrown. Okay. There we go. Let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
Yes, this is right. So, through the ferns again. Still going through ferns. Oh my goodness. Now this literally is like the scene out of Jurassic Park, isn't it? One of the raptor scenes. The Jurassic Park, man. My goodness. Wow. I think we're the only people who's coming down, yeah? Wow, is that overgrown? You can't even see. You literally cannot see the path. What the heck is going on here, man? Ah, it's okay, it's only ferns. That was a lot of ferns though, wasn't it? You can just about see the path. Thank goodness for that, we made it to a gate.
We made it to a gate.
Oh my goodness. That was a lot of ferns, wasn't it, Jack?
Yeah, that was.
Yeah. We couldn't even see the path at one point. No. But thankfully, this next bit doesn't look too bad. So we have thumbs up for the ride so far. Let's crack on. Oh, we've got straight into a pile of thistles now.
Yeah, pile of thistles.
Oh.
Oh, you dropped your phone, Daddy.
Oh, I dropped my phone, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Good spot then.
It was pretty, wasn't it?
That's what you get for not putting it on tidy.
Yeah. But no one tied it on it.
Okay. Ready?
Ready, go.
Go. Back down the hill. So after we go through them gates, we got to go up this road, up the hill.
Up the gate. And then we'll go back home then.
Not quite. Whoa, look at that dog. It's moving. And we are by the canal. Canal. Right. We're on the canal. This is nice, isn't it?
Yeah, that's nice. I want to see it.
Yeah? Do you like the canal?
And there's a boat in it.
There's a boat over there as well, yeah.
Yeah, there is.
There is a boat, yeah. It's a nice bridge, isn't it?
Yeah. A nice bridge.
It's a nice bridge.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, another boat.
It's another boat. It's a nice boat, isn't it? Look at the flowers.
This
Okay.
is nice.
Really nice.
Oh, a blue boat.
A blue boat?
Another boat. Oh, a purple boat.
A purple boat. Your favourite colour. OMG.
My favorite color.
Right, apparently we go off by here.
So we go
That's
down.
pretty tight, isn't it?
That's pretty tight.
That's pretty tight.
Yeah.
Big skid. And again. And again. How was that?
That was good, wasn't it?
That was good, was it?
Yeah,
I'm glad you
that
enjoyed.
was good.
Yes. What's down by there?
Both.
Boats. How many?
This 1, 2, 3, 4.
4? I
Yeah.
think it's a bit more than 4. I think it's Gyfeilion Boat Club. It's very pretty though, isn't it?
1.
It's a nice part of the world.
Those are boats too then. Dad.
There's lots of boats, is there?
This is some more.
What was your favourite boat?
The purple boat.
The purple boat.
Yep.
You like that one, did you?
Yep, I do.
Oh. Do you reckon we should buy that one?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And the bike, that blue one.
Yeah.
And more, please, Daddy.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Loads of boats, please, Dad. Please, can you have loads of boats, Daddy?
Tell you what,
Yep.
I'll get you one for the bath. Is that okay?
Yep.
Alright, that's a deal. Right, we're descending back up the mountain now on the road.
Yep.
Haven't we? We've seen some nice houses on the way up, haven't we?
Yep.
Yeah? Hopefully it's not going to be too painful on this bit. No. Well, that was a cracking climb, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Looks like we're going through a farm as well, but you know.
Yeah.
Yeah? Right, so off the road onto this. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Yes, the ferns are not actually on the path.
Yeah.
Excellent. Just come up this hill and we've come to a quarry. Let's have a look. Look at this quarry.
That's very good, isn't it?
You like this one, do you? Wow. Oh, we got rock climbers over there, look.
Yep.
Yeah.
Rocky.
Rocky. What's Rocky? The quarry.
The quarry.
The quarry's very rocky. It's very pretty though, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I want to go down there.
And we got people caving, rock climbing and caving. So I'm guessing it's quite a popular spot by you. Happy days.
Let's go
Right.
in the mountain.
Let's go back to the mountains.
Let's go back to the mountain.
Back on the road.
Go with the mountain. Well, I want to go up in the mountain.
Wow, that's a beautiful view as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that dog as well. Look at that view, man.
I want to go.
It's very
down
pretty.
there. Should we go down there?
Sure.
Let's go down here.
Right, Jack wants to take some footage of this beautiful scenery with the drone. Honey, buddy?
Yep.
Okie dokie.
3, 2, 1.
Okay,
It's
let's go. Let's go.
You're catching in my hand. It's catching, isn't it? Oh, it goes. Huh? Is it going? Is it going? Is that boat going? Huh? Is it gone? Look, Daddy.
I know.
It's behind me.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Look. Look. Look.
Hold on.
This one is going.
It's going.
This one.
Right, stop there. That was cool, wasn't it?
Let's not try again. Let's not try again.
Say that again.
No, thank you, Daddy. I want to do that.
You don't like the drone, do you? I thought your drone was a favourite. That was a big one, was it?
Yeah, that was a big one.
Okay. Right, back on the road then. Right, okay. We are back at Keeper's Pond. Where the motorbikes go past. Wow. It's lovely. It's a lovely pond, isn't it? Yeah. People kayaking in there. Yeah? Okay. Let's go and grab a photo. We finished our ride. Yeah. Back at Keeper's Pod. Thank you. Back at Keeper's Pod.
Oh, look, there's one that
He's following us.
This one is not following us.
Sit down.
We start the moon.
He's coming.
He's coming, isn't he?
He's coming.
He's coming, isn't he? He's coming, isn't he? He's coming, isn't he?
He's coming.
Yeah, that's
Hey.
coming. That's coming, isn't he? He's coming, isn't he?
And we're home. What did you think of that ride?
That was a good ride.
It was a good ride,
Yep.
but it was a bit overgrown, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, good. Was it a thumbs up ride?
Yes.
Yes, good. Say, see you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out. Thumbs up.